Stop doubting yourself. A quick summary from Jordan Peterson's speech. Part of spiritual growth is recognizing your satanic tendencies and wrestling with them. It's not about getting rid of them, but turning them into something else. You see this all the time with Harry Potter. He's flawed, hurt, and has some evil in him. It's important to not let these tendencies put you off from what you want to do in life. If you want to start something new, you need to accept that you will look like a fool at first, and that's okay. Don't get overwhelmed with the things you don't know and put things off indefinitely. Start and do it haphazardly, a tiny bit at a time, but you have to start. You'll get tougher by facing your fears. You'll find out that you are brave and have been able to cope and learn something new. As you continue and as you change, the thing that guides you is a deep curiosity and inspiration. It's like a god in the desert in Egypt, the pillar of light that you're following. It's moving. It's not a permanent thing. You move towards it, it moves away. Each of those zigs and zags is, in each, a transformation, a new you. As you stumble forward in life, you illuminate and inform yourself. Perhaps that's partly because the world is made of information. And if you encounter it and tangle with it, then it informs you. In my clinical practice, I often talk to people who are trying to make a hard life decision, and they are weighing the costs and benefits of making the life decision. You don't have to leap from point 1 to point 50 in one leap. Right, you can do it incrementally. As you shape yourself ever more precisely into something that can withstand the mystery of life, you will start acting as a beacon to the world. When you change, others will be inspired to change. It's like it's a hell of a fine ambition, and there's no reason that it can't happen.